Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is a beautiful 2020 Boston Whaler 33 Outrage. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the features on it and some of the options as well. This particular one's powered with the big 300s right here, V8s. Horsepower to weight ratio is awesome on these. These are the optional white, which look really, really sharp with the boat. You've got your oversized trim tabs right here that really helps in rougher seas, along with your AccuTrack hull. Very deep V up front, big reverse chines, running straight to run the full length of the boat. This one does, of course, have your windlass stainless steel anchor, very high sides. Between the hull and the deck, it's all closed cell foam, unsinkable construction. So this is a really nice family boat. It's a great boat if you're running offshore, maybe heading down to the Keys or something like that. Very capable. We do have our underwater lights here, optional dive door at our port side. And this is convenient for fishing and diving, but also, you know, if you're pulling up for lunch somewhere, this may be a little bit easier to get your guests in and out of the boat. You've got your aft bench seat that rolls away. We've got storage in the back, recirculating bait well right here. This folds out and makes into a nice table. Full windshield all the way around, almost zero maintenance with the piping here, all powder coated. Plenty of room here on the dash for your electronics. As I mentioned before, this is a joystick boat. Makes it very easy to dock the boat. Autopilot's incorporated and skyhook tilt steering. You even have a pedestal right here. So if you gives you about another, I don't know, 6-7 inches of room right here, makes it a little bit easier to see over the dash if you're vertically challenged like I am. This one's got the built-in refrigerator right here, huge fish boxes in the back of the boat, combing bolsters all the way around, and up front, plenty of seating up here. You have a tremendous amount of storage in this compartment right here, and this just pops up. And you've got dedicated rod storage and plenty of room for fishing tackle, rain gear, fenders, and things along that line. And as you can see, really nice hardtop all the way around. Windlass up front, great seating, one of my favorite boats, very safe too, very high gunnels. So to recap, 2020 Boston Whaler 33 Outrage, offered by MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a ring. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.